everyone, welcome back to my channel Sonia Ansari English Academy. My name is Sonia Ansari and I am from UP. So today I'm on the terrace just to enjoy the weather as it was raining since morning, and I just come on the terrace just to enjoy the weather. I always come as we are living in a city area where the area is very congested and we don't get fresh air. So I daily come on the terrace, and mainly when the weather is like this, and you can see the sun is getting set, and I'm just enjoying the weather. So today I don't want to discuss anything, it's just a vlog, and where I just want to talk to you that a kind of vlog where the people used to talk about your life and the weather, whatever is going on. I just want to discuss something like this, as it's been 3 months that I have been making videos on my channel, and I remember the day before 3 months when I decided that I will make one short videos, and how much what should I say, how much tension I was having at the time when I decided that I will be uploading one short video. And I was just thinking, what if I make mistake, what if I fumble, what if I don't get confidence, what these words were there in my mind. I was bombarded with these what if I make mistake, what if I fumble, what if I don't get confidence, what if I get stuck, what if I get freeze. These were the words which were there in my mind, and now I don't have these words in my mind. I have only one thing, that I'm confident enough, and sitting on the terrace enjoying and talking to you. Once it was my dream to talk to the people, facing the camera, and talking to the people in English. As you know, it's really very what should I say, it takes a lot of courage to face the camera, because I have always saying that same thing, that it quite difficult. Look, my son is Rayan. Rayan, come here. Look at me, say hi. What are you doing? So now I don't feel hesitation, and you can't believe that how happy I am, as I have reached the point where I can switch on the camera at any moment without preparation. I don't need any script. I don't need to think about anything before speaking. I don't have to prepare myself before speaking, and that is the confidence. I'm really very happy. And now look at my son. Come here, Rian. And he's trying to come. Come. Rian, come. Banana. What is your name?
My name is Ryan.
Okay, what are you doing?
I am drinking.
What are you doing?
I am खाना बना रहा हूँ.
I am खाना बना रहा हूँ. So, it feels really very happy when you reach the point where you wanted to reach at one time, and now the time has come that I have reached where I'm feeling very confident to talk to the people. The best thing is that I have gained the confidence. Guys, this is the only language which gives you a kind of that confidence which you can never achieve without learning English. Now I'm a hesitant kind of person. I used to be a hesitant kind of person. I used to be an introvert, as I always say that I'm from Hindi medium. And I had never thought about this, that one day I'll be having my YouTube channel and recording my videos. And the best thing is that I'm recording my videos in English and one shot. That is the best thing, because no one can tell you that when will the day, when it will come. You must keep on working hard towards your goal. I really didn't imagine, guys, I really didn't imagine that one day I'll be facing the people and speaking like this. I'm not saying that I'm fluent enough, I'm an articulate speaker. No, I don't say that, but I have reached the point where I can express whatever I'm feeling in English. That is the confidence which I gain through this language. And now I don't feel hesitation to face the people. Earlier, before learning English, earlier I used to feel like introvert. I used to feel what should I speak, what if I make mistake. Not only in English, let me clear one thing, not only in English, I used to be a hesitant person even in Hindi, my native language. But now, after learning this language has given me the confidence to face the people. Now, I'm not saying about talking to the people in English and facing the camera. In my personal life too, now I have become a confident person who doesn't feel hesitate to express her feeling, to express whatever I want to speak. That is the confidence which English gives. English has power to change your outlook, to change your confidence, to change your aspect, to change your attitude towards life. Earlier I used to think that no, I can't be like this, but now I can say I can be like anything, anyone, without hesitation. And guys, it's my humble request to all the people, especially the girls, it's my humble request to all the girls and especially the women who live their life throughout their life. They keep doing the things silently. They don't have words because they don't have confidence. I want to request all the women in the world, they should be speaking in English. This English doesn't only give you confidence, this English gives you confidence to your family. When you will be upbringing your children, if you are a good speaker, if you are a good speaker mother, when you will be upbringing your children, the struggle you have faced in learning English, you didn't have environment, but now when you are the mother and you are speaking in English, your children will never face this struggle of environment. They will be having environment, they will be having someone to talk in English, so they will be more confident and they will become more confident, more able, and more they will be having more and more. Because the speaking, the English which I have learned now, my son will be learning since the very beginning of his life. Look at him. No, I don't say that I'm talking to him English to English, full conversation. No, I just simply say, what are you doing? And he understands. Where are you going? He understands and reply a little bit in English and a little bit in Hindi, the native language. But he will get the environment, the right direction since the beginning. He will not suffer, which I suffer. With the environment, with the partner, he will not be suffering. That is the biggest thing. I feel happy about me that I have learned the confidence, and not only about me. My confidence will be beneficial for my son. He will be having the confidence since the beginning, which I have received now, he will receive now. Which I have received now, he will receive now. Just imagine. he will be having lots of the opportunities. He will be having career options. If he will be a good speaker, he will be a good communicator, then he will be having lots of the opportunities. This is the beauty of the language. And I want all the people, all the women, all the girls, and not only the girls, the women, all the people should learn English. I can feel the happiness when you speak in English. I can't imagine, I can't tell you in words. When you speak English, you feel like flowing in the water, like swimming in the water, like flowing in the air. I don't know how to express my feelings, how to express my happiness, that I have become able to speak whatever I want to say. That has become the power. In my personal life, something has changed in my personal life too. English has not changed my professional life. At this time, I'm not a professional one. I'm a housewife at this time, but I'm a teacher by profession. This English has not changed my attitude in my towards my professional life, but my personal life as well. Now I have become a different person who doesn't feel hesitate to argue, not a kind of argue, to put your words in a systematical, in a logically way, without any hesitation. What are you doing? So this is the happiness, and guys, I'm really very happy. That's why I didn't have anything, as I always, whenever I upload anything, I don't prepare any topic. This was the promise that I won't prepare a topic, and I have been fulfilling this promise. I have been keeping this promise, because my honesty is for me, is not for others. You are not watching me that I'm preparing my topic or not. No, because my honesty is for my honesty and for God, not for the people, right? But I am thankful to God that who made me able to take the decision on that very day that I won't prepare a topic. Wait, yes, okay. That made me able to take that decision, that from then only I won't prepare any topic. I will speak whatever will come in my mind on the spot. I will be having one topic as well, that today I will speak on this topic. I will speak on grammar, I will speak on vocabulary, I'll speak on giving value to yourself, I'll speak on workout of English. I only think about one topic. But whatever I speak, I don't prepare. I don't use any script, and you can feel this. Now my hands are free, and how can I show you? Like my hands are free. I'm not using any script, and that is the reason I'm improving day by day, daily. I'm improving just because I don't prepare the script. And seriously, I'm grateful person. I'm grateful to God. I can't say thank you enough. I don't have words to describe my happiness. Look at the weather. The weather is so sweet. When you are happy, when you feel happy, everything seems to be happy. If you are happy inside, everything seems to be happy outside. And if you are not happy inside, everything seems to be dull, boring, irritating. But now, as I told in one of my video, that these days I'm enjoying loving myself, and I'm greatly grateful to God, who has opened my eyes and has made me realize that I shouldn't underestimate myself. We should love and we should respect ourselves. We should love ourselves. Right? So I don't have anything to speak. No, I have lots of the things. I'm a teacher by profession. I can speak lots of the things without thinking. I can speak now for 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hours, but I'm just thinking, let's not I don't want to make you feel bored. I don't want to waste your time. I was just thinking that I should speak something different, as I daily upload something like about speaking practice, about strategy, methods, the techniques, the steps. Now I'm just thinking that I must upload vlogs as well, as it will connect me to you. Because when I teach the strategies, I become a little bit like a teacher, like the person who is teaching. But in vlogs, I'll be talking like a friend, so that we can have a bond, we can have a connection, and I just want that connectivity between you and me, because I love people, I love humanity. And the best thing is that from now onwards, I have started loving myself as well. And the life is becoming so beautiful now. And I can see beauty everywhere. Look at the beauty. So beautiful. You know why I'm watching these things, why I'm looking the beauty in these clouds? Because now I'm happy inside, right? So now let's end this video. Rayan, say bye.
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 Love you.
Love you.
Say Rayan like this. Look at me. Love you. Love you all. Rayan, stand up.
Thank you.
Love you all.
Love you.
Look at the camera. Love you all. Bye bye.
Bye.
Now here's my life, as my husband is out of the country. Now I'm alone with my son, enjoying my life. And my life is a little bit difficult without husband. No, I don't want to use that word, because he's out of the country. He is. Bye bye. Catch you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, and have a smile on your face.